direct drive, or Bowden. If you're upgrading your 3D printer's extruder in 2026, that's the only question that actually matters. Here's what you need to know. Direct drive mounts the motor right above the hotend, giving you flawless control for flexible TPU and abrasive composites. But it adds 200 to 400 grams of moving mass that kills acceleration on bed slingers. Bowden keeps your toolhead light for CoreXY speed demons. But that PTFE tube creates lag that makes printing anything softer than 98A TPU basically impossible. After testing 8 aftermarket extruders, the Bondtech LGX Lite wins for direct drive at just 240 grams. It handles everything from TPU to carbon fiber. For Bowden setups, the Bondtech BMG delivers consistent extrusion even with long tube runs. And if you're on a budget, the Trianglelab DDB is a $45 clone that actually works. The right extruder depends entirely on what you're printing and how your printer moves. Check the full guide at NozzleDown.com, link in the description.